Just decided to vlog the next week or two so that I can show you all the prep I have before I go to Sicily. So excited, but I've got a few bookings and appointments and I thought I'd just bring you around with me. I have an appointment today with the Cardiff Beauty Clinic, which is based on Newport Road if you're from Cardiff. Going to, fingers crossed, have the LVL treatment on Thursday, but as I'm allergic to hair colour, I'm not actually sure if I'm allergic to it or not, so I'm going for a patch test today, so hopefully it'll give me a clear sign of whether I'm allergic to it or not. I have such a nightmare when it comes to like my sensitivity of my skin and my hair. It's absolutely ridiculous. This will be really randomly spaced, this vlog. It's gonna be a vlog for over 2 weeks. Basically all my prep for holiday. But yeah, I have really black eyes. Put you by here. I'm super excited to get my LVL treatment. I've heard so much about it. If you didn't know what it was, it is like a lash lift. It lasts for up to 6 to 8 weeks, I think. It actually lifts your lashes up and they put a treatment on it, sort of like a advanced perm lotion for your eyes. Over the summer it's just going to be amazing because I'm not going to have to use mascara as much as I usually do, and I'm absolutely loving not wearing makeup at the moment. I will link all the Cardiff Beauty Clinic information down below. Just came out and they've given me a pack, a patch test. I'm just really worried that if I'm allergic to the solution, I'm not going to be able to have it done. I'll like record a little bit of me doing the patch test later on. Are we still going to Matalan? Yep. Okay, I'll take you to Matalan as well because we're looking for suitcases for me because my mum thinks she's going to give it to me for my birthday. Nah. Yeah, I don't like it. You don't like flowers? We went to come to get flipping suitcase. Yeah, that's quite nice. What else have we got? I don't like the patterned one. I don't like the canvas. I think we can get better. I really like them. £12.
They are nice.
I'm going to try the black ones on. See, the black ones look real nice too.
Yeah, but good beige.
I really like both. Should I just get both? Didn't come out with a suitcase, but came out with some shoes. We got the black ones. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do the patch test. We have all the 4 solutions here. Solution 1. I'm doing this real awkward, I'm not going to lie. Oh my god, that smells like eggs. I've put all of my patches on. I'm just waiting for them to dry now. This is the tint, kind of like one of those tattoos you have as a kid. There we go. Definitely should have done that on my inner arm. Can I like remove it somehow? Morning, it's actually Thursday today. Kind of want to... Hello bird. Today is the LVL treatment day. My patches are doing quite well. They haven't been itchy at all. I put the tint in the wrong place, which was probably the most important one. It was supposed to be on a more sensitive part of your arm by there. I have a day off, so I'm just gonna go through my wardrobe and look at all the different pieces I have to take on holiday with me. I am actually going into Topshop next week to choose a few pieces as well. It's been quite a long day so far and it's now 20 to 3. Probably should eat this quite fast actually. Can't really go wrong with an egg and avocado wrap, can you? Come back from the LVL treatment. I ended up taking a before and after photo, which I will insert now. Oh my god, I'm so happy with the results. Genuinely, they couldn't even use the eyelash tint because I'm allergic to hair colour. They didn't want to risk it, which is completely fair enough. 45 minutes long. Glued the eyelashes to a shield which lay on your eyelid. I will not be able to put makeup on for 48 hours, which is completely fine. I would definitely have it done again. I'm gonna make some food now and I'll probably check in with you in a couple of days time. Hey guys, 1 second. I last spoke to you after I had my LVL treatment. You're still looking real good. I'm going to show you what it's like when I put mascara on, because when I put mascara on I feel like it makes such a big difference. Because I didn't have the eyelash tin, it's really hard for you to see how curled they are. Today I have a really busy day. I'm going into town. Well, I've got to send off some Depop parcels. The birds. Topshop to pick up some pieces to wear. Looking at my wardrobe and I actually don't have a lot of summer stuff. When it's hot and I wake up, I usually get really puffy skin, so excuse if it's looking a bit puffed. So these are my eyelashes with mascara at the moment. You can see they're real long and the curl like from the root is like super straight. I'm really happy with the results and I would really recommend you get it done. As I'm putting my mascara on, I can really see the difference. Outfit of the day featuring Bobby. Birkenstock sandals on. This skirt I actually got in a charity shop. Slightly too big for me, so I've got this belt on as well, which is also from a charity shop. Then I've just got a basic white cami tee on. I think this is from Zara. Got my new Pretty Little Thing bag, which was £18 and it was such a bargain. These new Pretty Little Thing sunglasses. They're like a cat eye tortoise shell. Well sassy and I just love them. I've got loads of pieces to choose from. Hey, sorry, I didn't end up vlogging the Topshop try on because I have a haul coming your way, so I don't know if this is going to be up, but if it's up I will link it on the screen. I'm going to do some editing now, and the next time I will start vlogging will be when I'm getting my nail prep done. Morning. The last day of getting ready for the holiday. I'm just on my way to get my nails done by Aurora. I will link all their details below. I think I might go like multicolored. I bought this dress yesterday, by the way. It's from New Look. Only £22. I will also link this down below. Definitely going to be taking this on holiday with me. Oh, I'm literally so excited. I've just come back from the nail salon. Look how amazing my nails look. I am obsessed. So I'm going to eat my breakfast and then sort out my clothes that I need to take with me to Sicily. Oh my god, I'm exhausted. Filmed, put my makeup on, took it off. My Topshop haul will be up. I will put it on the screen. Look at the mess. Finally, enjoy packing. Oh my god, I'm breaking out. I'm gonna show you my suitcase now. Oh my god, I bought it from TK Maxx and you can see it. This is the case that I bought. It is freaking beautiful. £59. Actually has a lock on there as well. Also has 4 wheels, so you can just go like that. It opens up like a book. Compartment there. I don't know what that's about. But there's a cover for it and I like it. I think I'm done. I don't even know if we're going to sleep tonight because we have to leave at like 2 AM. There will be a vlog up for Sicily, so make sure you take a look at that. That'll be the week after this vlog is come up. I hope you've enjoyed this holiday prep vlog, and I will see you in my next video.